Some have asked, are we not tired of impeachment? Hindi ba tayo napapagod? Admittedly, we have undergone impeachment proceedings against the Vice President last year. And early this year, we also evaluated complaints against the President. So yes, public fatigue may be understandable. But the answer, my dear colleagues, is simple. The Constitution does not get tired. The rule of law does not get tired. Accountability does not get tired. If an impeachment complaint is filed and referred to this committee, we must examine it. There is no option to ignore these complaints. And as I said a while ago, we must fulfill this duty. No condition, no hesitation, walang palusot. Hindi tayo maaaring umiwas. Hindi maaaring umurong. Hindi maaaring magbulag-bulagan. Ang tungkulin ay hindi pinipili. Ito ay ginagampanan. Lalo na ngayong panahon na laganap ang fake news, mas lalo tayong dapat maging maingat at matatag. Mas lalong hindi magpapatinag. Kapag kumakalat ang fake news, hindi sapat ang manahimik. Ang tamang sagot ay wastong proseso.